Well, it turns out it's harder than I thought. So, because we have to absolutely get it right. So I'm giving myself more time.
Sir, what makes it very hard for you?
As I told you before, we have to see really what the DepEd needs. Of course, there are many calls for the new secretary to be an educator. There are many calls for the new secretary to be an administrator. There are new calls to be a historical professor for all of these, and they're all valid concerns. That's what education is all about, and that is why. And I've gone through so many CVs. Marami tayong magagaling. It's the one we have to choose somebody who has an understanding of what is important in terms of being an educator. But then we also have to find the same person also has to have those qualities that they can galvanize this very, very large bureaucracy, which is the DepEd, to achieve all of those gains or all of those changes.
Ilan ang nasa shortlist?
Well, I'm not going to let you tie me down to anything. We're looking at everyone. We're looking at everyone. We don't make a short list. Every time I know people myself na sa palagay ko kaya nila yung trabaho. And many people come to me and say, why don't you think about this fellow? Why don't you think about this, the maestra? Why don't you think? So we look at them all. We look at them all. We have to get it. Yun sa madaling sabi, oo, nahirapan akong pumili. Dahil napaka-komplikado ng trabaho ng DepEd.